Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine. Not that I wish to imply you have been sleeping on the job. No one is more deserving of a rest, and all the effort in the world would have gone to waste until... well, let's just say your hour has come again. The right man in the wrong place can make all the difference in the world. So wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
This is my third defense for this year. No matter how many times I didn't see you get on. Well, end of the line.
Welcome. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen, or been chosen, to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers.
This stuff, it's all I have left.
I thought so much of City 17 that
All right, I'm moving.
You the only ones on that train?
my administration here, in the citadel so thoughtfully provided by our benefactors. I've been proud to call City 17 my home. And so,
Overwatch
whether
stopped our
you are
train in
here
the
to
woods
stay
and
or
took my husband for
passing
questioning.
through on your way
They said he'd be on the next train.
to City 17, it's safe.
Watch it, will you? Wait a minute. Where are you taking me? Me? Dr. Breen again? I was hoping I'd seen the last report of C-14.
Welcome. Welcome to City 17. You have chosen, or been chosen, to relocate to one of our finest remaining urban centers.
This must be a mistake. I got a standard relocation coupon just like everybody else.
I'm gonna need me some privacy for this.
About that beer I owed you. It's me, Gordon, Barney from Black Mesa. Hey, sorry for the scare. I had to put on a show for the cameras. I've been working undercover with civil protection. I can't take too long or they'll get suspicious. I'm way behind on my beating quota.
Yes, Barney, what is it? I'm in the middle of a critical test.
Sorry, Doc, but look who's here.
Great Scott! Gordon Freeman! I expected more warning.
Yeah, you and me both, Doc. He was about to board the express to Nova Prospect.
Barney, what do you intend?
I'm thinking.
Alyx is around here somewhere. She would have a better idea how to get him here.
Well, as long as he stays away from checkpoints, we should be okay. Listen, I gotta go, Doc. We're taking enough chances as it is.
Very well. And, Gordon, good to see you.
Okay, Gordon. You're gonna have to make your own way to Dr. Kleiner's lab. Oh, man, that's what I was afraid of. Get in here, Gordon, before you blow my cover. I'll up some stuff to get through that window. Keep going till you're in the plaza. I'll meet up with you later.
our reproductive cycle. Sincerely, a concerned citizen. Thank you for writing, concern. Of course, your question touches on one of the basic biological impulses, with all its associated hopes and fears for the future. I also...
Oh, that's your cop.
He's one of us.
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block.
Hey, you!
Cooperation
In
with
here!
your civil protection team.
Head for the roof!
Permit
There's no time to
full
lose.
ransom the wall. Attention, residents. This block contains potential civil infections. Inform.
Get in here quick!
Cooperate.
Keep moving! Head for the roof!
Ha! No, you don't!
Dr. Freeman, I presume.
Attention.
We better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way. Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alyx Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you? Remember him from Black Mesa? Your old administrator. Don't get my dad started on Dr. Breen. Through here.